What's going on, everyone? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'll be covering how you can short these meme coins to zero. If you like my content, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my trading group, guys. We've been printing consistent profits and I teach you to become a better and smarter trader. Check that out using the whop.com link in the description below. Here is how I short meme coins. How to short meme coins. I get this question DM'd to me, commented on my posts so frequently. So here's a video on how I've been doing it across the cryptocurrency market. Now, to sign up for this platform, because this is the best platform, it's non-KYC, so you don't have to give your details out, and you get some exclusive bonuses as well for signing up. But what I'm talking about is the Blowfin platform. So this is what it looks like. It's just a crypto exchange, guys, like I said, with no KYC, with good fees, okay? And it allows you to get into these meme coins and short them if you think they are overvalued. The best way to sign up is obviously to come to my Twitter page here, click on my link tree, open it up here. It has all my social links, but here it is here. Sign up for Blowfin, trade cryptocurrency worldwide. Alternatively, guys, there is a sign up link in the description below. Just the Blowfin one will get you more access to these meme coins more than other exchanges out there. So what the platform actually looks like, guys, is this. So as you can see, I'm currently longing and shorting Bitcoin at the same time. Here's some history and some evidence of that right now. I've got quite a few longs open. However, if you are a prominent meme coin trader, some of these memes often go way too high, and the best play is to actually short them. Now, on chain, you can't actually short these meme coins. So you have to dive onto an exchange, and Blowfin has a lot of these meme coins very quickly. Now, obviously, recently, we saw celebrities. So as you can see on the thumbnail, we have obviously 50 Cent, we had Floyd, we obviously had Iggy Azalea, and we have so many other meme coin creators and celebrities jump into the crypto space. Now, some of them are very good because they obviously come with a good place and a good heart and actually want their token to do well, like Iggy Azalea, and we traded that from 16 million to over 200 million, but others often are in it for a quick buck to make a quick million, okay, and then rug people on the side because they don't actually care about you and me or about cryptocurrency. So obviously those are the tokens that you would try to target to essentially short them. So if you come to Blowfin, guys, sign up, obviously deposit some money into your futures account up the top. You're going to trade it against its USD pair. Now over on the side here, again, what I love about this platform is that it actually categorizes meme for you. Again, making it so seamless to short some of these tokens. Now, obviously, you can scroll through all the tokens here on the side, but for the sake of this video, let's click on Memecoin. So we have a range of different ones. So if we have a look here, you've got Myro, Whiff, Silly, Turbo, Rats, Sats, Bonk, okay, Meme, Floki, Arc, People, Dodge, Pepe, Sheep. Now, the bad thing about this list, guys, is that it's actually missing quite a few. So that's why I keep it on all, because you can actually find some of these other meme coins that probably are going to go to zero a lot quicker than some of these more prominent ones over on the side. So if we come to all, let's just have a look and scroll through all of these. So if we have a look at the moment, guys, this one right here, 100 PAU, I don't even know what that is, but that's a meme coin, guys. Ponky, that's a meme coin, guys. Coming down a little bit further, okay, GME, meme coin. Okay, this one here, Baby Doge USDT, meme coin, okay. Scrolling down, Dog, the most prominent meme coin on Bitcoin, okay. Beer, and we're going to have a look at the beer chart very shortly, okay, is another meme coin. Pengu, another meme coin. Mog, my favorite meme coin right now, guys, okay. Scrolling down, there's so many different meme coin choices here. Brett, another meme coin, okay? So if you scroll through this list, if you actually search, guys, as well, so for example, I want to find degen on base, okay, it's there, okay? And if you click on it, it'll obviously bring you up on this chart, and over on the side, guys, you would obviously create a short. So for example, I want to just look at this chart for you, okay? So beer. So beer is a token that obviously ran up to crazy evaluation numbers. I think it nearly even hit 1 billion. If we have a look at the chart here, yeah, it likely got close to, yeah, a couple, like 500 million, which is just crazy. Now, there was a lot of FUD around this token once it started to reach this evaluation point up here, because the team actually sniped it and were marketing it to send it to these crazy numbers. And what always goes up, guys, must come down. So as you can see here, I put a tweet out a couple of weeks ago. When was it? Yeah, so literally 22 days ago. What goes up must come down. After an insane rally to 600 million, likely we consolidate before heading higher. This was actually before I realized that this was actually a corrupt token because the team had sniped it and etc. Right? And so it was actually very prominently going to go to zero. Now, essentially, what you could have done, guys, here's that exact same chart. So as you can see, the price action was up here. Now, obviously the trend was down the bottom, and I haven't changed this since. What actually happened is that, yes, it consolidated from about here for another, how long is that? 5 days, okay? It still held that line. But what happened fast is that FUD actually came out. But more than that, using the TA, okay, and we use this in my crypto trading group. So if you're keen to check that out, obviously it's in the description. But we looked at this chart, and what honestly starts to move away from a trend line always comes back, guys, no matter what happens. Ideally, you want it to come back here and bounce, okay? That shows a healthy trend. However, this one obviously cratered all the way down here to 40 million. But if you do look, guys, you could have shorted it from this point of time all the way down here for an 87%. That token went down 90%, guys. That is crazy. And that's what I'm talking about. There's plenty of meme coin opportunities to short in this market. So I come back to beer on Blowfin, guys. And obviously you could have shorted it all the way from here down the bottom just to show you how you can create an order. Come over to the site, very simple. Choose your leverage. So with Memecoins, guys, I honestly keep it under 10x. So as you can see down here, I've got a 5x on Doge, 5x on WIF. My MOG trades also at 5x. So I don't, and even my BONK short is on 5x. So as you can see, yeah, so I'm shorting BONK right now, guys. Essentially, that's a meme coin, and as there's a bit of drama here, but a bit of noise. But as you can see here, I'm shorting it down to this sort of range down the bottom. So you can do it quite prominently. But let's go back to beer just to show you how you would set this up. So essentially, I would set probably 5x leverage, okay, click confirm over on the site. Isolated just means, it's going to show you here on the screen, but isolated means that only the money can be lost if it's liquidated in this particular trade, and the money that you've allocated to that specific trade. Cross is a lot more dangerous. I would highly advise and suggest that you look into using isolated over cross. Cross uses your whole portfolio. Now, obviously, if you use cross, you probably are a more skilled trader, because in the event of a liquidation, your assets full margin could actually wipe your whole account. So for me, I use isolated a lot of the time. To trade. Obviously, the leverage, the higher you go, the more risky it is. That's why I suggest looking into a lower leverage. Now, obviously, market means that you're just going to buy or sell this token, so short along this token at current market price. So I'm probably not going to do that, even though this is likely going to zero, guys. I'm not going to short it right here. The ideal opportunity, obviously, like I said before, was way up here, okay? But for the sake of this video, you would short it either market, okay? So if the price was up here, yep, short it. I want to get into the market. You'd set your stop loss probably above this high, and you'd set your take profit way down lower. Obviously, if you want to set a limit order, so for example, if it does get to a certain evaluation, so say I want to short it from 0.1 again, I can set that limit order. I want to allocate $200 to this, which is quite risky because it's 7% of my portfolio. So say I want it to be at 0.1, so 0.1's about there. Let's set the stop loss at that little number there. So it would be TP, which is take profit, and stop loss is your stop loss. Okay, so stop loss would be 0.13, and my TP would be literally, let's go 0, okay, for the sake of this video. But the beautiful thing is that it gives you more insight into this trade to adjust your leverage before you actually take it and take on this short as well. Now, this is a really clear point here. So I'm obviously shorting, guys, so you can long it or short it, however you want to play these meme coins. But for the sake of this video, we're focusing on the short side of it. So if you want to look at it, the liquidation would be 0.115. So if this trade was to pump, so in other words, if it was to pump from 0.1 to 0.115, I would lose all my money in this trade. So the way I go about that is by reducing the leverage to see whether it's worth this trade or not. Coming down 0.128, which is still lower than essentially my SL. So I'm going to go lower again. So this is why it's extremely risky, but also lucrative, because you can short these meme coins, but obviously use it on a lower leverage because they are extremely volatile assets. And as you can see here on 2x leverage, guys, the liquidation price for a short is at 0.114. So that would cover my stop loss and I could enter this trade. So I click sell like this. It's going to give you one little warning just to say, okay, is all this data correct? Greeny, is this what you want? And I'd see, click confirm, and then obviously our price must be positive. Oh, I must have the wrong price. Yeah, I must have it in. But essentially what I mean, you set that limit order, guys, and oh, right, it's because I don't actually have a, there you go, guys. So you can't short to 0, you have to put it at least low. So there we go, put that in, and it should pop up here. So if price was to pump up to this level, I could short it, so it would pump up here. Okay, and ideally it wouldn't pump above my stop loss, which is about there. So ideally it'd go here and then go back to 0, and I'd make a lot of money if it came back down here. So that's how you can short using Blowfin, and that's how you can short all of these meme coins in this market, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. More than happy to help you out. So there you have it, guys. That's how I short meme coins in this crypto market. If you like my content, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my trading group, guys. We've been printing consistent profits and I teach you to become a better and smarter trader. Use the wop.com link as it shows you here on the screen to sign up and check out further details. As always, guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one.